Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity, where I have a healthy breakfast. This is another thing I like to make and have. It's overnight oats, and they're very simple. You make them the night before. You just mix them up. There's some chia seeds in there. There's a little bit of I like to use the monk fruit maple flavored syrup in mine. A little bit of vanilla. Then you mix it up. I think I mix this up with some light coconut milk. You can use any plant milk you've got. I happen to have some light coconut milk. I like to use light coconut milk when I'm having it, frequently because, there's just a lot less of the saturated fat, which you can certainly do without. And it's still really nice and creamy. It has a beautiful flavor. So, you mix that up and you stick it in the fridge in a little covered container. Leave it overnight and it's ready for breakfast the next morning. And, if you don't like the idea of cold oats, you can certainly warm this up. It would actually give you a head start on cooking oatmeal. I used regular organic rolled oats. I didn't use the quick cooking kind. I've also made this with steel cut oats. It works fine. A little bit more chewy, but still really delicious. And this I topped with some raspberry, so delicious coconut yogurt and some fresh raspberries. So let me give it a taste. Of course, this is mostly just yogurt and raspberry. Which is really nice. You could certainly put this in a bowl and mix it up too. It's fresh out of the fridge and the oats are ice cold, but they're really nice. So I'll put the recipe on my blog and link it in the description. And I will also link to the previous video. Regular uploads Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Community posts Monday and Friday. Thank you as always for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. And try these. They're a nice summer breakfast, and if you like them, you can warm them up for autumn and winter. See you later, guys.